So Daniel, first, welcome. Obviously, thank you for joining us for this user conference.
Thank you very much, Stephane, that I'm here and for the invitation. So I'm very proud to be part of it and that I can show you how to work with the 3D experience in practice.
Can you just tell us a bit about who you are and what is making you moving in life, exciting you in life?
Yeah, my name is Daniel. I'm from Austria. I'm a mechanical engineer, designer. Yeah, I start after school directly with CATIA V5. So there I have a lot of experience how to design and doing with 3D models, dealing with 3D models. So this is always my favorite. And yeah, and this is where I got the experience about designing and working with 3D data.
And 3D is everywhere in your mind and in how you express. So for you, so 3D is more than just for engineering, right?
Sure. 3D, of course, is the base of everything because we are mechanical engineers, so it's the base. But we are living the virtual twin. So the future is that all informations are connected to the 3D model, and the 3D model is like an architecture, and we have to add all information, documentations, whatever, to the 3D model, because with the 3D model we are working in our business.
But you were telling me that you were a CATIA V5 expert, and you have been using CATIA V5 from the beginning of your career. So how did you get from CATIA V5 to 3D experience?
I have good experience in CATIA V5, and so for me it was totally clear that I need also CATIA V5 again to design product lifecycle management. And for this it was totally clear that the Soul Systems has this opportunity. And so I said, okay, let's do it with the 3D experience platform, cloud-based, because also this was very important that we have a big scalability. So this was also, if you're doing a startup with one person, so you will hire some people, some employees, some technicians. So you need not a lot of noise around. You need to be concentrated, be focused the red line. And for me, it was totally clear with the 3D experience platform. I have a lot of apps, I have a lot of possibilities, and so there is no limits. And so that was the deal, that was the match.
Sometimes say the sky is the limit.
The sky is the limit, exactly.
You are starting 3D from the first moment of sales with clients.
From the first lines, from the outlines.
Yeah, so can you tell us a bit about it? I think it's an interesting principle.
It's very easily, if we are speaking about the 3D model, totally clear after a purchase order from customer, you will start with drawing and doing the 3D model. But I say the 3D model should start earlier. It should start with the first request from customer with outlines, not drawing on paper or documentate anywhere. And afterwards in the 3D experience platform, what stopped us to start in the 3D experience platform with the sales activities? So this was a big game changer while we are so successful that all customer requests without purchase order, we start with a 3D model.
You are really in a pure engineering to order kind of business. I mean, you are building custom special machines for your clients. So managing these projects is important with this team. So I think you are using the platform also for project management and collaboration. It was interesting that you share with me again, I will say the principle you have used around collaboration on project and on try to concentrate it in one place.
Yeah, I think it's a very important thing, the communication or documentation. I said it, failed communication. What is failed communication? Failed communication is internal communication outside of the system. Let's speak about some examples. Designer A is talking to designer B via mail, and talking to him, hey, you have to make this different. In a mail, nobody can jump in. In a mail, it's difficult to share or to change something. In a mail, it is not attached to a file, to a project. So there are a lot of data is missing because it's not be added automatically.
You have also built some kind of predefined or pre-configured dashboards for people to be able to easily get to their job. Can you tell us a bit how you get there on on how you are doing that in your organization?
Yeah, sure. So the situation is the 3D experience platform is a huge platform with a maximum of opportunities and possibilities. But we have also low jobs, with basic information.
Yeah, of course.
A guy who do assembling doesn't need to know about what issues the electric department have and so on and so on. So we reduce it on the base for everybody. And so this was the game changer also to win the usability in our company.
So you were able to build specialized views for the different groups?
Yeah. Like say common views for each project, for each machine.
Yep.
And so if you select this project, all informations about this project are selected then. And this is a very important thing. You don't want to search, you don't want to find, you want to be navigated, like navigation through the system. And so this is a very important thing for employees, that they are navigated, that they have not too much choices.
Can you tell us maybe one thing that is very helpful for you?
Yeah, 3D Swim is a very important app for us, because 3D Swim is the main app for doing documentation. So we are using the redo task. So if you're planning, designing, manufacturing machines, a lot of list of open points have to be opened, are closed, or have different status. And this is very important to reduce, of course, the list of open points. And you need this list: what is open, what is closed, what is in work. So we are using the redo task as list of open point, and this helps us a lot to reduce the issues or to find out which idea the employees have. Because also the idea management, I would say, is very important. If somebody has an idea, he has to put it on a system, and it has to be easy for me to understand which idea from whom is in the system. And for this is the 3D Swim app perfect. Also the wiki function, I would say it's a huge positive effect, because there you can document, they have a structure, and therefore it is perfect.
That's cool. And I think that you're also using Project Planner for formalizing the project delivery plan for clients, right?
Exactly. If you're building machines, you need a plan. Yeah. You need a timetable. You need when starts designing, when starts e-designing, when assembling, when is commissioning, when is delivery date. So you need an overview about all projects. And this project planner helps us a lot.
Thank you for all those insight. And obviously, it's very inspiring. And again, I really love your passion. It is really more than visible.
Stephane, it's a pleasure for me to meet you. Thank you.
Thank you.